Is your patio looking a little worse for wear? Let's talk about how Housewash PA can bring it back to life with their incredible Paver Patio cleaning services. Picture this: a clean, vibrant patio that not only looks amazing, but lasts for years. Sounds great, right? Housewash PA has the tools and expertise to tackle dirt, algae, and stains, ensuring your outdoor space is inviting again. They offer a range of services, like soft washing and pressure washing, tailored to different materials and finishes. And the best part? They use eco-friendly products, so you can feel good about the cleaning process too. With a focus on customer satisfaction, Housewash PA's expert technicians handle everything from driveways to decks, using safe methods that won't damage your surfaces. Plus, they provide transparent pricing and free estimates, so no surprises. Investing in professional cleaning not only boosts your patio's appearance, but also enhances safety by removing slippery grime. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Don't wait. Contact Housewash PA for your free quote and take the first step towards a stunning patio.